Hello, it's Monday, May the 2nd, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFX Markets. The dollar fell against most of the major currencies as US debt widened and the Federal Reserve signaled that borrowing costs will remain near 0% for an extended period. Stock markets closed the week positive as the Dow rose by 0.37% and the Nasdaq by 0.04%. Crude jumped by 0.90% to close at $113.50 a barrel. Gold reached an all-time record, closing at $1,576 an ounce. Today, ISM manufacturing PMI is expected to decline to 59.90 versus 61.20 previously. The euro traded unchanged against the US dollar, hitting 148.80, its highest level since December 2009. The pair posted one of the biggest weekly gains since the beginning of the year. The Fed announcement that it will maintain record lows and speculation that the European Central Bank may raise interest rates makes the euro much more attractive. The pair is testing resistance at 148.70. Trading above the support level of 147.50 keeps the momentum positive for the pair, but should the pair break below this support, it might decline to 145.50. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 144.92 and a high of 148.80. And today, ECB President Trichet is expected to speak. The pound strengthened against the greenback due to the weak dollar and again tried to break resistance at 167.80. That the previous resistance level of 166.20 is providing support now is a strong bullish sign. However, if it breaks below, it could fall back to 165.20. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 164.30 and a high of 167.42. Today, BOE Governor King speaks. The dollar fell against the yen, with the Bank of Japan leaving the target lending rate between 0 and 0.1%. The bank has raised its growth rate forecast for next year, optimistic that the world's third largest economy will expand 2.9%, due largely to reconstruction work and restoration. No major economic data is expected today. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This strengthened against its US counterpart after a tumble following the release of economic data in Canada earlier. The CAD strengthened to test multi-year lows around the 0.9450 level. So far, it's been unable to break lower and seems headed towards the lowest weekly close since November 2007. The dollar lost momentum and fell on American hours, particularly against commodity currencies. No major economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at ufxmarkets.com for simple, safe, secure trading.